Alright, so it looks like we're starting Sable today. It was a game recommended by a friend of mine, and so I decided to give it a shot. So here we are. Let's go. Starting a new game. Let's go to the top. I love the symbols. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, bug. Okay, at least it's not a spider. Still, I love the style. And we're back. Okay. WASD to move. Okay. Like the style. It's like, I don't know. I mean, the art style, don't get me wrong, but like it's like giving me like Aztec vibes. Am I supposed to come up to this? Ooh, and a little dust under her feet. Or there, under their feet. I don't know, I was getting girl vibes, but I don't know. There. Oh, okay, we can jump too. Oh. Oh, is that our stamina? Am I supposed to do something? Oh. I was supposed to do that. Okay, so there is also a sprint. Dang it, I'm not that good at this. I need to work on my timing. That looks like a ladder. Oh, there's a tower. Okay. Press C to crouch. Wait, is this an open world? I have a sneaky suspicion this is an open world. If this is an open world, then I'm going to lose it. This is going to be amazing. So it looks like I'm just going to jump down. Okay. No fall damage from that height. That's nice to know. smoke! I love it. Ibex camp? Ibex camp? Ibex, I'm gonna call it Ibex. English is weird. Ooh, cutscene? I'm just loving the style. I can feel Jetty smiling behind her mask because I know she can feel the teeth-bearing little grimace behind mine. I'm nervous, and she's softly, sweetly amused. In her eyes, I probably have very little to worry about. You know, you have nothing to worry about, don't you, Sable? Okay, so I'm Sable. Okay. And yet, I know, I'm not worried. I know. I tell JD that I know, but that it hasn't quite sunk in yet. She chuckles. I promise you, Sable, you're fine. But I do know how you are. You're going to be nervous until you've started, and then you'll act like you've been doing it your whole life. Yeah, remember the first time you rode a bike? You wouldn't even let me put you on the seat. You were so afraid your hands were like little claws gripping into me. Aww, I feel the memory in my fingers. But then I promised you it was going to be alright. I told you how much I loved riding my bike as a young woman, and how wonderful the wind felt through fabric. Suddenly there you were. You sat down, you leaned forward and put those little grasping claws on the handles, and you were off. And I remember thinking, just watching you tear over the sand. Look at her, she can do whatever she wants. Aww. Jetty reaches out and places a hand on the edge of my mask. And you can, Sable. I take a breath. I don't know where to start. JD's stories warms me, but I feel too overwhelmed to let it settle. I tell her with a sigh that I don't know where to begin. She chuckles. Well, I can help with that. You'll need to talk to Hidal and Driss. Driss should already have made the arrangements for your bike, and Hidal will share something. Well, let's say it's as useful as it is fun. I think I might suspect what JD's saying, but I stay quiet. After that, I suppose we'll see you off. I'll be back soon. Sable, don't go planning your return before you've even left. Take all the time you need. It's a big decision you're making out there. What decision are we making out there? I tell her that it's why I'm so eager to make it, to choose well and quickly so that I don't get too far down the wrong path. Whatever you decide, you do so with my blessing. So don't try using me as an excuse to come home early, eh? She knows me. Now go with Hidal. He'll be there to see you off. And speak to Driss as well. I've told them to arrange your bike with Cizo, but you know how he is. I have something to give you, a compass to help you on your journey. It's the same one I used in my gliding, an artifact, you might say. Take the device in my palm. It fits naturally there, perfectly weighted and crafted. Each component slides together with incredible, satisfying precision. Thank you. Cute. Where's Q? There it is. Oh, so it tells me which direction I need to go. How does it look like? Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay. You know what I'm gonna try? I'm gonna try giving them voices, but I am no voice actor, so, bear with me. What is that? I want it. I want one. Yeah! I'm running out of stamina! No! Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Chum. Offered by chums when planting themselves in the ground. Oh. It's something. Okay, my first attempt at giving someone a voice. Let's do this. As I approach Hidal, they give me an enthusiastic wave. I've always appreciated Hidal's verve and vigor, and on a day like this, I'm ready to match it with a touch of nerves for balance. Sable, take this. I don't know. I'm working. Okay. Sable, take this. Hidal hands me a small round stone. As it nestles into my palm, I feel warmth not borrowed from Hidal's hands, but emanating from within. I run my thumb over it and find it softly electric, like static on cloth. Thank you. I thank them for the fuzzy rock.
Oh, Sable, you don't know what that is. This is, do you? Well, I've just given you as a gliding stone. What do you feel?
I tell Hidal that I feel fuzziness.
Then you're doing it right. What you feel in that stone is openness.
I look at the stone. It seems quite closed.
Gliding stones are vessels for the perpetual. They suck up its power like little sponges and hold it there for you to channel. Right now it's empty, or dormant, and waiting for you to fill it up.
I ask how I can do this.
Take it to the temple ruins at the edge of the canyon. You'll be able to activate it there.
Hidal claps their hands twice and bobs a little. I appreciate their good mood at a time like this.
Come back to me once it's done. I want to hear all about it.
As I'm about to leave, Hidal stops me.
Oh, you haven't gotten your bike yet, have you? It's a bit of a trek to the temple. Go see Driss. He was meant to get that ready for you, yes?
I remember JD's words now and tell Hidal I'll go and see Driss. Okay. Escape to see quest log. Activate the gliding stone ceremony. Okay. Okay.
Q.
Okay. Is there fall damage? Alright. So we know Driss is a he, so what sort of voice should I give him? Ibex. Although I've told myself not to be too eager, it's all I can do not to race up to Driss. Driss is the camp manager. He's been difficult to get a hold of lately, but now I strongly suspect that he's been working on my bike in secret. Perhaps it's extra beautiful or has some custom feature. What will its name be, I wonder? How fast will it go? Will my legs soar, or will I get used to it? Driss turns with a bit of a start. Sable, hello. JD sent me to speak with you? Did she? What about? I tell him it was about something special, and then make a leading gesture, slowly, trying to be perfectly cool and confidential. But I can't do it. I'm too keen, and the words spill out. I asked Drisk if he might, maybe have a bike for me. Your bike! He yells like it's an idea he just had. Your bike! Yes, of course, right. Yes, your bike. That was that I prepared for you, because today is your... gliding, yes? Driss nods along with me. Yes, of course, right. Yes, I do have that. My blood runs cold. Has he forgotten? By which I mean I arranged it for you. It's sort of a tutorial for you. A tutorial? Yes, exactly. A learning experience. You see, Sable, before one can own their own bike, they must prove that they can ride a bike by taking a test on a different bike. I think about it and find I've never heard that part of the gliding, but Driss does seem earnest, sort of. So instead of worrying about your bike, I'd like you to try this bike as a test. Driss gestures to the sand cutter at his side. It's quite old and a little shabby. A tester, if I've ever seen one. What's the bike's name? Driss seems scandalized. That's a bit personal, don't you think? Just sand cutter will do for now. Youngsters these days, always asking questions. Now, ride the bike through the ring and back. And here's some advice for you, my young glider. Don't fall off. Yeah, I like that advice. I think that's handy. Okay, so this is, W accelerate, space, strafe. What does it mean by strafe? Oh, so it's to start. Otherwise, it's just... Was the ring. It's over there. And I'm heading in the right direction, right? Oh! So this is for more like precision movement. I returned to Driss, who somehow managed to seem caught off guard despite knowing I was coming. Sable, congratulations. How was your first pre-guard ride? Any strange rattles? Unexplained hissing? Small fires? What do you mean, fires? Surely you'd notice if you were on fire. Even a little bit. Was that a possibility? Well, obviously it didn't happen, so I think we're fine. Uh-huh. Dress, is this bike dangerous? Well, he doesn't finish. Have you already been by Hidal? Oh, right! I'd nearly forgotten about Hidal, and I thanked Driss for the reminder, before at least nudging him a little about the bike. I asked him if I'll still be getting one. Well, you're getting used to the sand cutter. That's something, eh? You can borrow it to run your little errands. My little errands? And Hidal's got something to show you, too. Help you out with more of that, mobility you're after. With my confidence in this exercise only lightly tarnished, I thank Driss very much for his help and his bike, and I depart for Hidal. Okay. Completed. Okay, so Whispering Stones activate. So just select it, and then... heading in the right direction. I love the dust! This is so fun! Is that like an old ship or something? Yeah. We're fine, we're fine, we're fine. We're doing great. Okay. Don't run into rocks. What the heck is that? Like statues? Questline, random statues. Random statues. We're exploring, man. Who cares about questline when we have exploring to do? Up enough. There's its feet. Yeah. Okay, fine. I'll go actual quest line. Those are so pretty though. Like their head are bowing. I wonder what that's gonna have something. It's gonna be a little bit more plot relevant in the future, right? I think this is an open world. Ah! I didn't look out for that again. Like, the rock. Can I even go on this thing? No! We can make it! We can make it! I'm gonna lose the bike! Fine, I'll lose the bike. No bike. Is there a map? There is a map. Oh. Okay. Oh, is that the altar? I have a sneaky suspicion it is. Okay, so we'll reach the altar and then we'll probably call it then. More like we'll find the altar. I don't know if I can reach the top of this with how much stamina I have. too used to Genshin and jumping while climbing. Oh! What is that? Is that a dude with wings? Okay. Oh, I didn't even notice the bug! We're safe, we're fine, we're alive, we're good. You know, that totally collapsed beneath me. That was not creepy at all. Not creepy. It's not creepy, it was just startling. Oh. Okay, cutscene. Stone thrums like a beat of a heart as I approach the altar. Let's say accelerated. I'm ready for Rahana to know me. I'm ready to know myself. Okay, I feel her curiosity in the sacred place. I know I am in her sight. We're going up. Activated gliding stone. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. Glide. Okay. Okay. Okay, I can do that. More birds. Ooh, I'm still too used to Genshin. Oh, so that's what happens when you fall from too far of a height. Okay. I think that was supposed to be like a training area for me, but I totally failed the exam. Looks like I need to figure out how to pass the exam, because there's no way I'm getting out without it. Okay, I think I should be able to climb to those lower platforms, right? I was so close. I'm rocking those flip-flops. Let's see, maybe that's just gonna take us up again. Oh, sweet, so it is an elevator. Okay, so what I've gathered so far is that we are Sable, and we're doing something special, like a quest that we have to go on. And that we're excited and worried about it, and so is everybody else. Except they're not really worried. They think we'll do great, so... I mean, I guess we're gonna do great then. I love how you can hear a heartbeat when I use it. See? Alright, and we're out. Where's the bike? Bike's over there. As soon as we get to the bike, we'll probably call it. But I'm excited. This is going great. Do not let go of the space button. I'm seriously curious about the fall damage though. Okay, so the thing protects us from it. Where's the... There he is. Oh, he's so glitching out. Sorry, buddy. I said we were going to stop when we get the bike. Let's just... Let's park it back where we started, and then we'll probably call it then. Alright, thanks for joining me. How do I... Oh! And change outfits. Ibexi Children top. Ibexi. So it's the town Ibex. It's Ibexi. Hand me down from Yara? Yara? Scratchiness reminds me of home. Yeah, I figured. Child's mask. Blank looking masks worn by all children of the dunes. Most kids customize theirs for fun, but more traditional clans frown on that sort of self-expression. Okay, so everybody wear masks around here. I mean, it makes sense. You don't want the sand getting everywhere. I have my chum egg. I don't have much of a map yet, because I haven't really done much. And I do not know how to, save and exit. I guess we, keep playing till they tell us how to exit, or escape? No, this is usually where you get to exit. What other languages do they offer? Oh, we're doing it. We're doing it. Okay, guys. We're gonna do Spanish, and I'm gonna do my best to translate, and we're gonna practice our Spanish here. And I'm not gonna understand anything. But I need to learn how to leave the game first. Pantalla controles. I don't know where to exit. Okay. Oh, wise Google, how do we exit? Sable. There's a Reddit post on it. Ahem. How do you exit the game? I'm glad I'm not the only one who doesn't know how to exit a video game. Okay. Exit. Sistema. Salir a la pantalla de título. Leave to the main menu. ¿Quieres salir a la pantalla de título? Yes, I do. Sí. Okay. We did it! We did it! Oh, we have won our first great battle in Sable. We have reached the beginning again. Thanks for joining. I'll see you next time. And hopefully this time I will remember how to leave instead of needing to Google it. Seriously though, whoever said that on the Reddit post, you are literally the greatest human being to have ever existed. Thank you so much for your time. We are unworthy of it. For saving my hide.